Hi, good morning. This is Glenn Finley, and I want to talk to you about how to create a lead capture page with Plan B Marketing Group on any type of system. But because the majority of people that are involved in this system are dealing with royalty, I'm going to go into the royalty way of doing things, but this is going to be equivalent to doing any type of business that you like. So the first thing that I want to talk about is first of all, let's take a look at where do we go to add a lead capture page. Now, as you can see at the top, you have the personal assistant, you have Plan B, you have Internet Direct TV, video, email, logo animation, and these are all your different services that we offer. Okay, the only thing that's not up here that will be up here is going to be royalty. So if you click on over here to the left of the screen and click on royalty, all right, you can click on royalty lead capture page, royalty capture page. Now, these are capture pages that we have created for you already. They're already set up. Some of them need to be updated, some of them don't, but you can always click the operation and click preview. And let's just take a look at this one real quick. I'm going to preview that. Okay, so as you can see up here at the top, this is your link. It's going to have your username, and then you can label it 331, and that's going to be the lead capture page that we have created for you. All right, so I'm going to X out of that, and now what I want to do, I'm going to go back to home, and let's show you how you can create your own lead capture page. All right, real simple. We're going to go to add new page. All right, now these are the templates right now that you have available. There are actually 10 of them, and as you can see, this says YouTube video with Samsung. That means there's going to be a video in the middle, and then there's going to be a lead capture over here to the right where I'm putting my mouse. So let's click on that. Okay, now here's your information. All right, so let's take a look at what video you would like to use for your lead capture page. All right, now you can always go to Plan B if you like, or you can go to any video URL that you want, and I'm going to show you how to make that work. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to youtube.com, and I'm going to click on my page, my channel. All right, so let's just say, for instance, we wanted to use a couple videos here, and let's say I wanted to use the hold on one second. Let's say I wanted to use Plan B Marketing Solutions can help you with your real estate business. Okay, well, that's not a good one. All right, let me scroll down here. All right, let's say we wanted to say, do you have a plan B? All right, so I would click on that video. Okay, and down here where it says share, you click on share. All right, and then now you're going to click on embed, because now you're going to get what we call the embed code to put in. Real simple. Just follow the steps. So click on embed. Now we're going to uncheck that box, and we're going to uncheck that box. Okay, that's the only box that needs to be checked, where it says show player controls. Now the reason we're doing that is because you don't want a whole bunch of other videos popping up when the video is over or while it's playing. Okay, so you want to uncheck those boxes right there, and it's going to create a code. See this code up here? Now what you're going to do is you're going to take this, and if you've got some good eyes, you can take this and copy it. Make sure you do it in between the exclamation points. All right. Sometimes you have to grab it and put it into a note. All right. So I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to copy this whole page. So I'm going to click copy. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go to my notepad on my computer. All right. So I can show you guys. So now I'm going to paste it right here. Now all of this stuff right here doesn't mean anything. Okay. All right. Let me see if I can minimize it so you can see it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy everything in between this exclamation and that exclamation. Okay. So that's my video code. That's going to be my video code that I'm going to put into my Plan B system. All right. So now I'm going to copy that. Okay. So I've copied that now. I can delete this now if I don't need to save it. So I've copied it. Now I'm going to go back to my Plan B system and see what says video slide share URL. I'm going to paste it into that. Okay. So that's the code. That full code now is going to play your video on your lead capture page. All right. So we can scroll down. Let's preview it. Let's click preview. Hold on 1 second. Let's see here. Oh, we got pop-up blockers up. Okay, so I'm going to preview. Now, that video is what's going to play in your lead capture page. Now, you can keep the picture back here if you want to that we've got, but I'm going to show you how to grab another picture. I'm going to show you how to grab another picture and put another picture back there. All right, so do you have a Plan B? Now, we're going to X out of that. We're going to keep that in there. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to work on the background image. Now, this background image is going to come from Google. All right, now I'm going to show you exactly where we go on that. See if I can move this box out of the way. I don't think I can. All right. All right, so let me go back here, and I'm going to erase that. I'm going to go to google.com. All right. Now, let's say, for instance, you want to put a royalty background back there. Or let's say you want to put a Mercedes. Just I like cars. So you click on Mercedes. All right. Now, at the top here, when that comes up, all you want to focus on are images. So you're going to click on images. All right. These are images of cars. Okay. And then you're going to click on tools. And now you want to click on the size of the image. Now the size has to be larger than 2 megapixels. All right. So you're going to click on that. These are all the pictures that you can put now on the background of your lead capture page. All right. So let's grab one real quick. Let's see here. I like that. Okay. I like that picture right there. So I'm going to grab that. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click and see what says copy image address. All right. I'm going to copy that image address. All right. It's going to be a link. So I'm going to copy that. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to my background and I'm going to paste that image link in there. Okay, and I'm going to scroll down and watch what happens. That's your lead capture page right there. Okay, real simple. All right, so just follow those steps, and those are the two things that you want to do. Now, if you want some writing up here over the registration, all right, see what says main body text. You can type in a message. You can say, we have a great solution for you creating your plan B, and exclamation point. Okay, now let's preview that. All right, now that is up here in the heading over your registration page. Now, if you want something up here, you can do that as well. Sometimes it looks good, sometimes it doesn't, depending on the image of the photo. I'm going to X out of here, and I'm going to type in the same thing. Something a little different. Plan B, marketing group can help you get this. All right, so let's see where that goes. Preview, see where that's up there. It's going to be in blue. All right, so sometimes it's not always good to put wording up here. It'll always show good up here in white. Okay, all right, so I'm going to X out of that. So now what I want to do, now I want to label my video, my lead capture page. So I'm going to call it, do you have a plan B? And you can add some notes to yourself. Nobody can see that but you. And you can put Mercedes picture, so you'll know, spell it right. Okay. All right. Now, if I want the names of everyone that has joined scrolling up, so people can see that people are joining your team, click preview, and now they begin. These are people that have actually come in the system. All right. If you don't want that, then you don't have to have that. Okay. But this lets people know that real people are joining our business, and it says just joined up here. So now I'm going to X out of this. The next thing that you can do is, all you have to do now is click save. Well, let me make sure I didn't miss anything. You're going to click save. Okay. Now, all you have to do is click on royalty. And you can search for any word that says Mercedes. Let's see if it's up here. Let's see here. See if I can find it real quick. Let me go back to plan B. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to home. Okay. So forget about what I just did. Click on view my pages, or my pages view. We can change that. All right. And now you says, do you have a plan B? So as you can see, it's right here. These are capture pages that you've created. So I'm going to click on do you have, just to see, just to kind of doing the search. All right, see, I was getting ready to type in Mercedes. So anything that's got that word in there, this is your lead capture page right here. You can now send that to someone. You can put in a subject, a message, and an email if you like to do that. Or if you want to, you can go back to view my pages and you can just preview it again, preview, and there it is. All right, and you can just grab that link and put it into a text message or whatever you want to do. One of the things that I like doing, I'm going to show you here in a second. What I like to do is I like to copy my lead capture pages, and I like to copy the link, and I like to shorten it. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to go to a website called bit.ly, bit.ly. Okay, it's free, and I'm going to make that URL that I just created, I'm going to shorten it. So I'm going to click create, and I'm going to paste that in there. Okay. All right. So see where the title is. So I'm going to make my title lead capture page. Only you can see that. Do you need a plan B? And then with Mercedes. This is just for your ability to find it. Now this is the link right here, but you can change that. So you can erase this all the way to the line where it says bit.ly / and you can just put lead capture. I like to put LCP, and then you can put plan B. Put whatever you want to do, and then you can click save. Now your link has been saved. You can click out of that. Now if you want to send someone, you can just copy this. All right, I'm going to copy that and see if I can move this down a little bit. It's sort of in my way here. See if I can do something a little different. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and erase that. I'm going to copy, I'm going to paste that in there. So see that URL right there? That now is that long one that's shortened up. And click, and I didn't copy the Y. And there you go. Okay. So that's how you can go to bit.ly and shorten your link. All right. So if you have any questions, you can always email support, and we'll be glad to answer any of your questions that you have. You can email your sponsor or call your sponsor. You can always contact, if I'm available, you can always contact me by calling the office at 205-588-8706 and then hit extension 810. Hey guys, thanks for being a part of Plan B. Let me help you create your Plan B so that you can be free. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.